Ken, at the time you and I talked about it, I said that it should be reviewed. The family said it, but there's been no rallies, no pressure. The judge is dealing with this on the evidence, which is fair. I think that's the only way that you deal with this. Isn't it a factor that this supposedly was under the direct control of his own PayPal account, Zimmerman, so he would have had to know or have some control of the funds?
Absolutely. I mean, George Zimmerman is having a really bad day today. I mean, he didn't just jump the shark, he just had the shark rip off one of his limbs. I mean, where a case where credibility is everything, here you have a man that the judge on the case has said, hey, wait a minute, I got a problem with this man's credibility. He may have lied to me. I'm revoking his bond and he's coming to court to explain himself. That is a big problem for Mr. Zimmerman, not only on his bond, but for the rest of the case, because his credibility is everything in the Stand Your Ground law hearing and everything in the trial.
Now, meaning that if he's found to be less than credible, if he fact and misled the court, he's his own major witness in Stand Your Ground, this could have a major impact on the rest of the case.
Absolutely. That's why I said the shark has just ripped off one of his limbs, but he did it to himself. This is a self-inflicted injury. If he actually lied to the court and testified under oath that he didn't know about any money when in fact he did, when in fact he knew he had certain monies available, yeah, he's got a big problem on his hands. The judge may find he's a flight risk, that he can't trust the word of George Zimmerman that he's going to show up for court. So this is a major problem for the defense, and they're going to have to figure out how they're going to get themselves out of this if they can. It sounds to me that he's got a big problem to deal with.
Zach,